The market closed positively overall, with the volatility index dropping to 13.9. I've been working on setting up my portfolio, and I believe it's in a good position for future success, especially considering the high levels of greed we're seeing. While I don't expect a major collapse until 2024, I still strongly believe a recession is on the horizon, so I'm continuing to prepare for that. One of the moves I made was shifting my protection funds into SQQQ instead of the popular choice, QQQ. I know everyone loves talking about QQQ, but I'm taking a different approach. I'm also heavily invested in Tesla, which had a good day. But wait, there's more. I've made significant moves in bonds and treasuries, and they performed well. TMF, for example, had a positive gain.
TMF Group exists to make a complex world simple for our clients. We do some of their most important administration in some of their most critical locations, really covering three areas: legal, financial, and employee. And we recognize, when I talk to our clients, three things that really matter to them in getting that administration right. The first is they look for a reliable partner to get things done correctly on time. And that reliability is really key to how we operate at TMF. The second is they're looking for a global solution. Quite often they're multinationals, they don't know where their business will take them, where they're investing, where they're operating. We're in 85 jurisdictions covering 92% of world GDP, 95% of net FDI inflow, so we can go wherever our clients need us to be. And the third is they face a myriad of rules and regulations with increasingly severe consequences. So we know that we have to be a governance partner to our clients and help give them further reassurance that they're on the right side of those rules. So we've invested a lot in our people, our data, our digital platform to really give that reassurance to our clients that we're part of their own governance in getting things right.
NIO, on the other hand, experienced a slight decline, and there's some news about that which we'll discuss. Energy stocks also saw a decrease. Overall, I have a diversified portfolio, and if you want to see all the details, feel free to join my Patreon community. Now, let's talk about the breaking news on NIO. They secured a significant investment of $1.1 billion, and I believe this funding will have a positive impact. Investors have the opportunity to subscribe for a total of 738 shares, so it's an interesting development worth exploring. Let's get into the exciting news. Rivian, a company that many thought could rival Tesla, has actually decided to collaborate with Tesla by signing a fast-charging agreement. This means that Rivian, along with Ford and GM, will be using Tesla's charging system for their electric vehicles starting in 2025. This is fantastic news for Tesla because it solidifies their position as having the best charging infrastructure in the market. As more and more companies join in, the potential for Tesla to earn billions of dollars from this partnership is enormous. Imagine every electric vehicle sold using Tesla's charging equipment and connectors. This creates a significant revenue stream for Tesla, and it's a game changer that many people may not have anticipated. This development could take Tesla's success to new heights, and I believe the stock price will reflect that.
Ready? 1,
Today is another positive day in the market, with a 5% increase. However, according to Wall Street analysts, there is a downside potential of 24.55%. It's hard to say who's right, But if you believe in Elon Musk's vision, you might want to hold onto your stocks or even consider buying more. Now, let's talk about the Dow Jones and S&P. The Dow Jones has been on a downward trend for the past 5 days, while S&P has seen a 0.69% increase since last week. Personally, I still have faith in stocks like NIO and Tesla. But remember that I'm not here to give financial advice. Now, let's discuss something important: student loans. The Supreme Court is expected to make a decision soon regarding student loan debts, and it could have a significant impact on the economy. Millions of Americans who currently don't have to make monthly payments on their student loans might have to start paying again. This could take a toll on consumer spending and ultimately affect the stock market. The estimated stimulus that was injected into the economy through suspended student loan payments is around $300 billion, and once that money stops flowing, it could have a negative effect. The deadlines for these changes are expected to be in July, August, and September. So, be prepared for a potential downturn when these changes take effect. Companies like SoFi might benefit from this situation, since they cater to loan repayments. Now, let's talk about options trading. We don't have any options for FNG, but we do have some for other plays like SQQTQ and TDCL2. Speaking of FANG stocks, they have been performing exceptionally well this year, up by a staggering 369%. If you think they've reached their peak, you might consider shorting them. See you on our next one.